The rise of silent warfare, China's HPM breakthrough. China's military advancements have taken a significant leap forward with its development of high-power microwave weapons. These weapons disable electronic systems with electromagnetic energy. This places China at the forefront of electronic warfare. HPM weapons offer a non-kinetic means of attack. They disrupt enemy electronics without physical damage, ideal for targeting command centers and communication networks. Their emergence signals a shift towards strategic warfare. The development of HPM weapons by China has not gone unnoticed. International observers are closely monitoring the progress. The potential impact on international security is significant. As tensions rise, the role of HPM technology grows. China's pursuit of HPM technology aligns with its strategic goals. It seeks to challenge US military dominance in the Asia-Pacific. By investing in HPMs, China aims to assert its influence globally. Devastating electronics at the speed of light, how HPM weapons work. High-power microwave weapons are a new breed of directed energy weapons. They work by generating an intense focused pulse of electromagnetic energy within the microwave frequency range. This pulse, when directed at a target, can overload and disrupt electronic circuits, effectively disabling or destroying them. The impact of HPM weapons on electronics is devastating. The high-energy microwave pulse creates a surge of voltage and current within the target's circuitry. This surge can overwhelm and burn out sensitive components, rendering the entire system inoperable. In essence, HPM weapons deliver a targeted electronic shockwave. The development of HPM technology in China has been a collaborative effort. Leading universities and research institutions have been working closely with the People's Liberation Army to advance this cutting-edge field. This synergy between academia and the military has accelerated China's progress in HPM weaponry. One of the key breakthroughs in China's HPM development is the use of phased array technology. This technology allows for the precise steering and focusing of the microwave beam without the need for bulky and slow mechanical parts. This makes China's HPM weapons more versatile, responsive, and accurate compared to previous generations of such weapons. China's strategic edge challenging US dominance in the electromagnetic spectrum. China's advancements in HPM technology pose a significant challenge to the United States' traditional military superiority. The US military relies heavily on sophisticated electronic systems for communication, surveillance, and targeting. HPM weapons, with their ability to disrupt or destroy these systems, threaten to undermine this technological advantage. Drones, a cornerstone of US military strategy, are particularly vulnerable to HPM attacks. Their reliance on electronic systems for navigation, control, and communication makes them easy targets for disruption or destruction by HPM weapons. This could potentially cripple the US's ability to conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, and even airstrikes in contested airspace. Furthermore, China's HPM capabilities extend to space, posing a threat to US satellites. Satellites play a crucial role in US military operations, providing communication, navigation, and intelligence-gathering capabilities. HPM attacks could disrupt or destroy these satellites, severely hampering US military effectiveness in a conflict. The development and potential deployment of HPM weapons by China is a clear indication of its strategic thinking. China understands that future conflicts will be won not just through brute force, but also by controlling the electromagnetic spectrum. By investing in HPM technology, China aims to gain a decisive edge in this critical domain. The future of warfare. A new era of electronic dominance and vulnerability. The emergence of HPM weapons marks a significant shift in warfare. Electronic dominance will be paramount. Countries mastering HPM technology will have a decisive advantage. However, the proliferation of HPM technology raises concerns. The potential for miscalculation and escalation is high. The invisible nature of HPM attacks complicates responsibility. Urgent need for norms and regulations. Clear guidelines are needed to prevent escalation. Failure could lead to a new arms race. Countermeasures to HPM attacks will be crucial. Investing in resilient systems is essential. Adaptability and understanding of the electromagnetic battlefield are key.